Man got a whole piano down here in the subway in New York. West 4th Street, Washington Square. And it is about 3 in the morning. I don't know if you can hear him or not. But all you need to know is it's 3 in the morning. This man has a full-blown piano down here. But it's 3 in the morning. This is where we are. We need to get back.